Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just...
Careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dashcam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey, to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dashcams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dashcam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video card dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K Dashcam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p. Whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K Dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 gigabytes Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. Before choosing any dashcam, temperature guidelines are an essential factor that matters the most. Rove R2 4K is designed and tested to function and withstand extreme higher heat and cold temperatures geographically. It can work in extreme cold of -22 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme hot 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, the Rove R2 4K comes with a beautifully written professional user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Here one of our reviewers said, "I am 91 years old and I love it. Easy to install and operate. If he can do it, then anyone can do it." At Rove, we provide how-to videos that will help you set up your dashcam in less than 3 minutes and explain all the features and details for under 30 minutes. On top of these, if you have any questions or concerns, we have a customer care team that is personalized and ready to help answer any questions or concerns or solve any issues that you may need help with. Purchasing the Rove R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. All of these are from your local Chicagoland, Illinois company that you can trust. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
So here's the 4K dash cam that we got. So I'm going to show you all the accessories it comes with, and then I will show you how to install it later, and then also just show you some of the features and some of the cool things I like about it. Okay, to get started, first you're going to want to download this app, and then after the app is downloaded, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so then you're going to want to turn on your camera, and then go to the hotspot EMQS, just like you see on the phone right here. Okay, so now we're opening up the app. So then make sure you go ahead and connect the camera, and then when you do that, make sure you're also connected to Wi-Fi. So basically just take this sticker, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off and stick this on here so you can see that that's on there tight. And then once that's on, you just put it wherever you want. Like this looks like a good spot, and then just clip it down. Very, very secure, so it sticks tight. Now all you need to do is take these clips, and basically I'm just going to clip these wherever you want to, right around the top, all the way around, and then basically right to your cigarette lighter here, so you can charge it. So yeah, that's basically as easy as it is. Very happy with the install process so far. Very smooth, very simple. And then we'll just kind of take it from here after that and show you how to use it. Okay, so you can see we're recording right now the video as we're driving here, and you can just see how crystal clear it is. It's got the 4K video, which you can actually, when you need to like get a license plate of a vehicle that might have did something on the road, or you need for insurance purposes or footage, this is perfect video that would be sufficient for all those things. Okay, so I just showed that up there mounted, and now I want to show you what it looks like on your phone. So with this app, it's very, very easy to just watch it real time. You can record video. You just need an SD card, and you can watch the recorded video back. It has night vision features as well, so you can actually pick out license plates and see really well even at the nighttime driving. So just a lot of great things about this. It lasts for about 5 hours before you would need to charge it. And it seems to take about an hour to charge when we've used it so far too. So basically drive almost all day. It'll record the whole time and then just charge it when you're done and you're ready for the next trip. But very, very clear 4K video, as you can see, which is a lot better than a lot of the other cameras when I looked at the reviews. And overall, I just love the product, and you can check it out on Amazon.